What's up, YouTube? This is Marcus again with Marvelous Tint Solutions in Folsom, California. It's nice out here today. This is a 2020 Genesis G70, and I was doing this video on the front emblem removal. I took my inspection camera through there, and I see a couple of spots where it looks like the emblem has a set-in for it, but I don't see any bolts or anything that would stick it beyond double-sided tape. So I'm going to tape this thing up, put some heat to it, and see if we can't pull that off the front there. So now I got it all taped up, and I'm going to start heating it and just pulling on it lightly and see if we can't break that thing away. Should have it off in no time. So the big question on, can you fully debadge your Genesis G70 2020? The answer is no, because there's holes in your bumper. So yeah, here's the emblem. Got those two guide holes. There's two holes right on the front bumper. And just in case you didn't know how it laid, one's rectangular shape and the other one's circular. There you go. Genesis emblem taken off. These are the tools I used: little plastic bondo cards, roll of tape, the packaging cover from one of our tint boxes for shipping, and a heat gun.